Hey, boy, come on over here. Let's have a look at you. This is a boy? Come over here, boy, and I'll show you how to make a nice paper aeroplane. There she goes. Look at her fly. How's that for a... Huh? No, boy, that's no way to make a plane. That'll never... I say that'll never... fly. Come on, and I'll show you how to set up this simple box trap. Well, there she is, boy, all set. Now, where did that boy go? Looks like the boy genius is trying to show me up. Well, what are you trying to do, boy? Build a better trap than mine? Well, you'll never catch nothing in that contraption. The principle's all wrong. Look, I can step in it, nothing happens. I can make off with a bait, nothing happens. I can jump over it, nothing happens. Hey, boy, got any more of those long-haired books? You gotta keep on your toes. Toes, that is.